AirPods not working for calls? Next steps.
Hello there. If you're watching this video, chances are your AirPods are giving you a hard time during phone calls, even after trying multiple fixes. We're here to help you figure out the best course of action. The critical question is, should you contact Apple support or not? Let's dive in.
Have you tried everything?
First, we need to make sure you've exhausted all possible solutions to fix your AirPods. This includes checking your Bluetooth settings, ensuring your AirPods are charged, resetting your AirPods, checking for updates, and even testing them with a different device. If you've done all these and the issue persists, it's time to think about reaching out to the professionals.
Is your warranty still valid?
If your AirPods are still not working, your next step should depend on whether your product is under warranty or not. If your AirPods are still under warranty, it's definitely a good idea to contact Apple support. They might offer you a repair or replacement service at no additional cost.
What if my warranty has expired?
Now, if your AirPods warranty has expired, it gets a little bit tricky. Contacting Apple support is still a great idea, but keep in mind you might be charged for repair or replacement services. However, they may be able to provide a definitive diagnosis and help you understand the issue better.
Is Apple support my only option?
While Apple support is a reliable source of assistance, they're not your only option. Consider visiting authorized Apple service providers or certified third-party technicians. Just be aware of the potential risks involved with non-Apple repair services, including voiding any remaining warranty or causing further damage. In conclusion, if your AirPods aren't working during phone calls and you've tried every possible solution to no avail, it is time to contact Apple support or a certified technician for professional help. Remember, it's better to get help sooner rather than later, to prevent any further potential damage. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you the best of luck with your AirPods. Stay connected.